Hi everyone, good morning. As part of the today's session, we are going to check whether the given string is a palindrome string or not. So, in this program, we need to achieve in two different ways, which is using with the default methods and the another is without using a default methods. So guys, one thing that we need to know with respect to the Java logics, whatever we are gonna write down, you need to understand the concept. If you know what exactly the concept is, you can find a n number of ways to fix those issues. If you can see what is a palindrome string means, if I have a given input string as a mom, if the reversal of the string is same as the given string, then it's going to be a palindrome string. So assume that I have a given string as a mom, and if I returned that particular string or reverse, sorry, if I reversed that particular string, if the input string and the reversal string both are one and the same, we call it as a palindrome string. As part of a previous programs, if you clearly observe, we have seen a program that will perform a string reversal operation. I can reuse that particular program and I can perform this complete operation. First of all, let me open my Eclipse editor. So this is the first program that we have created yesterday, where in which we are giving it as an input string and we are calling this reversal method. If you observe this reversal method, you are using a string builder and this is returning this particular string. So what I'm going to do right now means I can reuse this same program. So I'm just copying this whole program and I'm pasting this program again. So as the complete logic is going to be one and the same, I'm not changing it anything. So I'm just giving it as the same name, which is a string reverse of 3. And in this program, as we already have this method, so I'm calling that particular method, and whatever the method you are getting it as an output from the method output, you are storing it in an output string. The input string is the string that we have given, and the output string is the reversal of the given input string. And if both the strings are equal, if the input string dot equals to, so here I'm using an equals method to check whether both the contents are equal or not. So I'm gonna use an equals method, which is an output string. If both the strings are equal, system.out.println given is a palindrome. Okay, palindrome string. Else system.out.println, else system.out.println given is not a palindrome string. That's it. So I have a given Surendra, and when I run my test script this time, of course, the given string and the generated string, basically the output string, which are not one and the same, hence it's not a palindrome string. For suppose if I am giving an input string as a mom, so even if I reverse this particular string, the content is going to be one and the same. Hence, when I run my test script as a Java application, given string is a palindrome string. One thing that we need to remember is whenever you are writing down certain Java logics, the reversal logic would be commonly used. Okay, the reversal logic with the default methods. And if you know how exactly you are going to use a for loop on an individual character level, not only the reversal, you can do any operations on a further programming also. Okay, with that node, if you can see, we have created a Java program with using a default methods and checking whether the given string is a palindrome or not. Now, I just want to go with the another method without using a default methods. So we already have a program without using a default methods. So I'm copying that particular program and I'm pasting it with a new name as a 4. The string reversal 4, I have opened it. And if you see the yesterday's logic, you are giving it as an input string, you are generating the output string, and you are storing here. Instead of storing, I can use the same if condition. If the input string is equal to the output string, if both are equal, then system.out.println given is a palindrome string. Okay, else given is not a palindrome string, else given is not a palindrome string. So if you observe clearly, we have a used the previously created the string reversal without using a methods. Using a for loop, I'm retrieving the character by character and I'm generating that particular logic. So when I run my test script this time, it will print an information that given string is not a palindrome. For suppose if I give string as a dad, of course the reversal is going to be one and the same. So when the script got executed, the given string is a palindrome string got a retrieved and it got a printed down to the console. So this is the way how exactly we can reuse the string reversal program and to check whether the given string is a palindrome or not. Yeah. Thank you guys. See you in the next session.